Hello, my name is Pankaj Kurskun and my ID is 09005. I think the popular sport in Thailand is basketball or badminton because it's a fun sport and low cost of equipment in this sport and everyone can play it. I like biology in this school because I I like to learn human organized system and diversity of tree. That additional I like to learn creatures and world. For this, many people want to become nurse. I think in Thailand, the doctor is high salary and have responsibility to social that uh, everyone respect this career. In this photo, I think he played the gambling and he lost a lot of money because he looked like have a depression. That I think the sport is poker. I don't sure that uh, I don't support it. I don't think to pay the gambling for money because I spend the money that I don't know what I receive that money returned. Why people that gambling I think is exciting sport that can make you that can make you win in before and lost after that can bring you lost a lot of money. Uh, the similar of to photo that people in photo work on their work and has